how can we protect our system from ESD, which is electrostatic discharge, while installing our motherboard? Let's eliminate the completely wrong answer. So, drinking hot coffee over your system, out. Use fans to blow cool air throughout the room, out. This doesn't have anything to do with electrostatic discharge. So we have IO shields and anti-static wrist straps. Well, the IO shield, it has to go with the motherboard. This is not the correct answer, and it's made more apparent because of our next possible solution, which is the anti-static wrist strap. This is basically grounding you to whatever. I typically use my case if I'm building a computer, or you could continuously touch your case. That works too. The strap is just an easier way. You basically just need to ground yourself so that when you touch components, if you have any static electricity on you, you don't short it out. If you touch something that's grounded, you will have all that static discharged to ground. So when you're touching motherboard components or other PC components, you don't short out specific components, which could kill them. So that would be the answer. An anti-static wrist strap will protect our system from electrostatic discharge while installing the motherboard, and any other components for that matter.